Calling all mobile and manufactured homeowners in New Mexico. Did you know you may be eligible for financial assistance to help with critical repairs, weatherization upgrades, or even full home replacement? Many state, federal, and nonprofit programs exist specifically to support mobile homeowners like you with essential home repairs. One of the most widely available resources is the USDA's Section 504 Home Repair Program. This federal program offers loans and grants to help repair, improve, or modernize your home, and to eliminate health and safety hazards. Homeowners can apply for loans up to $40,000. Seniors aged 62 or older may be eligible for grants of up to $10,000 or $15,000 in designated disaster areas. To qualify, you must own and occupy the home as your primary residence, and your household income must fall within the USDA's low-income limits. If you're approved for a loan above $25,000, the USDA will also require full title service to verify ownership and property records. This program is especially helpful for homeowners in rural areas, and it can cover repairs like roofing, electrical work, or accessibility modifications that make your home safer and more livable. The New Mexico Mortgage Finance Authority's Homeowner Rehabilitation Program helps low and moderate income homeowners fix serious issues in their homes, like unsafe wiring, broken plumbing, roof repairs, and bringing homes up to code. Qualifying homeowners can get a forgivable loan of up to $200,000 with no interest and no payments as long as you stay in the home for up to 15 years. The Weatherization Assistance Program offers free energy efficiency upgrades to reduce utility bills and improve safety. This might include insulation, air sealing, heating repairs, or smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Seniors, people with disabilities, and those with high energy costs are given priority. Both programs are run through local nonprofits and service providers throughout the state. There are also nonprofit organizations that may be able to help depending on location and needs. Groups like Rebuilding Together and Habitat for Humanity may offer free or low-cost repair services for low-income mobile homeowners, seniors, or people with disabilities. Program availability and eligibility requirements may vary by county or change over time, so be sure to check with the administering organization for the most up-to-date information. You'll find links and more information in the description below. And for more guidance on mobile home living, repairs, and support programs, visit us anytime at MHBO.com.